Introducing the DDMWorks header heat shield for the 2020 and newer Polaris Slingshot models. Constructed from 304 stainless steel, this shield is CNC Laser Cut to ensure a precision fit. Its unique two-piece design allows it to work in conjunction with the factory heat shield to maximize heat protection and block unwanted heat from resonating through the firewall on the passenger side of the vehicle. The brush finish adds a sleek and polished look under the hood, and all necessary hardware is included for a straightforward bolt-on installation. Before you begin, make sure that you're parked on level ground, your parking brake is engaged, and that the ignition is off. It's also important to make sure that you've allowed your engine adequate time to cool, as you'll be working around the header. Once the heat shield is cool to the touch, use a 10mm socket with ratchet to remove the 3 bolts securing the factory heat shield to the header so that you can remove it from the vehicle. Please note that the factory heat shield and 2 of the 3 factory bolts will be reused. Use a 13mm socket with ratchet to loosen the 4 nuts located here. You do not need to remove them, just loosen them about 1/8 of an inch. Grab the DDMWorks mounting bracket included with your kit and slide the 4 slots on the bottom side of the bracket in between the 4 nuts you loosened and the header flange. Once in place, tighten back down the 4 nuts to the factory torque spec. Locate the stud included with your kit and thread it on to the tab on the side of the header until the stud clears the welded nut on the back side of the tab. Reinstall the factory heat shield by sliding the hole on the bottom of the heat shield over the stud so that you can align the upper mounting holes with the other threaded tabs on the header. Once aligned, use 2 of the 3 factory bolts you removed earlier, along with a 10mm socket with ratchet to secure the upper portion of the factory heat shield in place. Locate the slot on the lower end of the DDMWorks heat shield and slide it over the stud. Then align the 3 holes on the top side of the heat shield with the 3 threaded holes in the mounting bracket. Grab one of the supplied Allen bolts from your kit, slide on one of the included washers, and thread it into the center mounting hole finger tight for now. Then repeat for the other 2 mounting holes. Locate the single large washer included with the kit, slide it over the stud, then thread on the included nut, finger tight for now. Position the heat shield so that it lines up nicely with the side of the engine, then use a 5mm Allen wrench to snug down the 3 bolts on the top side of the shield. Lastly, use a 10mm wrench to snug down the nut on the side of the heat shield. If a header heat shield is on your mod list, head on over to slingmods.com today to grab one for your sling, and feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.